Hey guys, we're back at SeaWorld Orlando for another Project About construction update, and we're gonna check out some of the stuff that's happening around the park. Let's go. Pipeline posted a 90-minute wait. The ride is at one train, and that's because I had a little bit of an accident earlier today. If you want to learn more about the minor accident, be sure to watch the video I made about it. I'll link the video down below. Over at the construction site, a ton of progress has been made. The main thing to note is that over by the vacation experience is that the big drill has finally moved out of this area and onto the other side of the site. A lot of the land has also been filled in with dirt and gravel. We have our first crane on site. As you can see, the big drill has moved closer to the exit of the show building and into the first launch. There is also a few more areas with those blue nets that are up, which signifies that more groundwork has been taking place. Over by the restrooms and food stands, they've done a ton more digging. The crew has also marked off a large area with blue and white rope and poles. Over by Mantis Turnaround, crews have been hard at work digging more foundations. It seems like the supports are going to come very close to Manta. Hopefully it will make for some cool visuals. More groundwork by the show building has taken place. The blue net area, which will eventually hold the final brakes, is now massive. The Wild Arctic Show building. So from what I'm hearing, this is going to be the new 2025 coaster project. We'll see if anything transpires from that, and I'll let you know if it does. Alright guys, it's going to wrap it up from SeaWorld Orlando. As you saw over at the construction site, there's been a ton of progress. Cranes have been moving around, a lot more dirt's been moving, lots more foundation holes. Tons and tons of progress, which is really exciting to see, especially this early on. If you like what you saw, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.